Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial video. Today in this video we are going to learn how to draw a 3D model of exercise 12. Okay, so let's start. First of all we will create this 2D profile, then we will extrude it one by one. Okay, select the sketch tool, then select the plane. Next thing is create a throughout hole of this circle of dia 34. So 34 dia circle. Next thing is create this green color outer dia circle which is of dia 64. So 64. Okay. Next thing is create a circle at a distance of 75 of dia 20 and dia 38. Okay, distance between these two circles 75. Now create a tangent line 64 by 2 multiply 2. Similarly create a circle make it tangent. Similarly do it here also. Next thing is use trim tool to trim unwanted lines. Now we have our closed profile. Click on finish sketch, click on home button, and next thing is extrude it. So we will extrude it 30 in both side. So extrude tool, this one, select symmetric, overall length is 30, so 30. Okay, make sketch visible. Next thing is select this profile and total distance is 10, so symmetric value 10. Okay, next thing is create extrude this profile also to 30, symmetric, overall measurement 30. Okay, next thing is we have to create this extruded profile. Okay, so the OD for this is 43. Select this profile, create 43 dia circle, enter, finish sketch, extrude it to 30 and 15 from here. So 15, operation join. So here we have extruded profile. Okay, next thing is we have to cut this slot of dia 55. So select the plane, then create a circle of dia 55, finish sketch, home, then extrude, select this profile, and the depth of slot is 5, so minus 5. So automatic the operation will be of cut, so it will subtract it from the main body. So here you have your 3D model of this 2D sketch, 2D drawing, and you can do it by another method with same dimensions. Okay, it's up to the user which method it will use. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises .f3D files and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.